If you want to name your brand, it is extremely helpful to know what types of brand names are there for you to choose from. This is exactly what we are going to do with you in this video lesson. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofiev, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. There are totally 7 types of brand names for you to choose from. 1. Founder name. 2. Descriptive. 3. Evocative. 4. Invented. 5. Lexical. 6. Acronym. And 7. Geographical. Founder name is a classical choice and means that you use your own name as a brand name. There are a lot of pros to having your own name as a brand name. 1. Being your name, it automatically encompasses your brand values. 2. It is also automatically relevant to you and your clients no matter what you sell, no matter what your fashion product is. Let's take one of the brands we are working with as an example. Legwear for statuesque women by Chantal J. Marie. Sounds great. Jewelry products by Chantal J. Marie. Fantastic. Shoes by Chantal J. Marie. Awesome. Home furnishing by Chantal J. Marie. Very good. Even men tie line by Chantal J. Marie. Why not? Let's take something else as an example. Something even more crazy. Furniture by Chantal J. Marie. Yes. Car accessories by Chantal J. Marie. Why not? I can go on and on. It will remain relevant. This is the magic of your name. It is relevant to you and your clients no matter what you sell, just because it is your name. And 3, your own name does automatically carry a high vibration unless you heavily dislike your name. In such a case, taking it as a brand name is a no-go. But even if you do not like your own name, there are some tricks how to go around it. You may use your nickname instead of your full name or your given name. For example, Coco Chanel. Coco was the nickname of Gabrielle Chanel. If you happen not to like your family name, you may exchange it for your maiden name in case you are married or for any other family name that goes in your family. For example, one of the names that goes in my family is Pfeiffer. If I don't want to launch a Julia Antofiev fashion label, I could use Julia Pfeiffer as my brand name. If you do not want to use a real name, you can combine your name with another word that resonates with you. A great example is Solongo Blue, a combination of the founder's name Solongo and the high vibration, extremely meaningful color blue. Another alternative is to use a pen name as a brand name. For example, I used to have a pen name, Jane Renee Maria. I could use Jane Renee Maria as my brand name. Names are a great material. I've spoken for quite some time already and did not mention yet that you can use names of your loved ones and name compositions as brand names. The brand name Sola Anu is a great example, combining the name of the founder Solongo and the name of her daughter Anu. A highly relevant, high vibrational name that automatically reflects all brand values the founder can only think of. What do you need to keep in mind when using your name as a brand name? Big name designers recommend registering your founder name trademarks privately as opposed to registering it on your company. In the case you sell your company, your name remains in your personal ownership. Obviously, I'm absolutely not qualified to give any legal advice. Therefore, please always consult your attorney on how to make sure you keep your name in your possession. The next brand name type is descriptive. Descriptive brand name is a brand name that clearly describes the goods or services it is associated with. In your case, it describes your iconic fashion product. For example, our trademark Perfect Tights is a descriptive brand. The biggest advantage of a descriptive brand in fashion is that it instantly sets your product apart from all other generic competitors. For example, there is a huge amount of tights on the market and all of them are generically called tights, but there is only one pair of perfect tights in the market. Another advantage of descriptive brands is their cost effectiveness. They instantly convey important information about your product and automatically establish brand identity and brand recognition. With a name like Perfect Tights, for instance, women know exactly that our product is a pair of tights that combines a bunch of great qualities reflected in the word perfect. Descriptive names are easy to create and descriptive names are easier to get found by search engines. The downside of a descriptive name is the trademarking. If the name is too descriptive, you will not be able to trademark it in principal register straight away. A trademark registered in principal register means that you have an exclusive right to use your trademark. A descriptive name, if not approved for the principal register, can be approved for the supplemental register. It means that even though the trademark belongs to you, you cannot take legal action against other people who are using it. You can send them cease and desist letters telling them to stop using your trademark, but you cannot really take any legal action against it. However, after 5 years on the supplementary register, you can apply for and move your trademark to the principal register with all its advantages. Here again, please keep in mind that I am not a lawyer and do not render any legal advice, but simply share my experiences. Please always consult an attorney for questions related to your trademark. Another disadvantage of a descriptive name is its restriction for business development. I cannot launch a line of dresses, skirts, or jewelry under the brand Perfect Tights. Neither can I license out perfume, sunglasses, or leather accessories. The next type of brand name is an evocative brand name. Evocative names reflect positioning of the brand through a metaphor and have symbolic value. They tap into a reservoir of shared cultural knowledge, myth, story, imagery, association, legend, and art, and usually work on multiple levels. Examples of evocative brand names are Apple, Yahoo, Google. Our company name, Quantum Factory, is also a strong evocative name, positioning us as a company tapping into unlimited possibilities and endless power of the zero-point energy in creation. Evocative names are very powerful. They carry the spirit, the power of the symbol incorporated in the name. They are multidimensional, suggestive, and have a direct emotional impact. Evocative names are easy to be trademarked and allow room for business development in a number of directions. The negative side of an evocative brand name is that you need to help people understand what you offer. Therefore, you may need a higher marketing budget. This is why I personally love a combination of an evocative name with a descriptive name. Quantum Factory is a good example. Quantum is the evocative part, while Factory is a descriptive part of the name, helping clients understand that we are engaged into manufacturing, or at least into some kind of creation. The next type of the brand name is invented. Invented names are invented words that may be linked or not that obviously linked to your product, like TiVo or Xerox. TiVo creates an association with television. Xerox does not create any associations with anything. I like invented brand names. They're a lot of fun. Invented brand names are easy to trademark. They can have a direct emotional impact if made out of relevant words. And with time, an invented name can become a category name, such as Xerox. Depending on whether they are linked to your product or not, they are either less or more expensive in marketing. I suggest creating invented names out of words combinations that are relevant for your product. The next type of brand names is lexical. Lexical brand names are based on a word play and therefore are quite memorable. Puns, phrases, compound words, alliteration, intentional misspellings, and foreign words are all styles of this popular naming type. Dunkin' Donuts, Sizzler Steakhouse, Kapow, Ba-Bam are the examples of lexical brand names. Lexical names are catchy and memorable, and at the same time they may sound too salesy. Lexical brand names are mostly restrictive for new business development. The next type of brand name is an acronym. An acronym is a pronounceable word formed from the initial letters of a name, DKNY for Donna Karan, New York, for example, or formed by combining the first parts of a series of words, for example, Adidas from the name of the founder, Adi Dassler. Acronyms are mostly used at the moment when an established brand goes international. DVF is easier to pronounce for the Asian market as Diane van Furstenberg. Acronyms are easy to pronounce, but they delete the heritage of the company. Whether it matters or not depends on the brand. Acronyms allow room for business development and even total change of direction. The last type of brand name I would love to cover is geographical brand name. Geographical brand names have a geographical location added to its name, for example, DKNY. Location adds cultural and historical associations to the brand for better or for worse. Geographical brands are strong for local marketing. People from the place tend to be more attracted to the brand, At the same time, if used internationally, the brand brings the exotic of its origin with it that makes it more attractive to the foreign buyers. Such names may be difficult to trademark. This is in a nutshell what you need to know about the types of brand names you can choose from. In the next video lesson, you will finally get your hands dirty and name your brand. Very exciting! If you are not in our program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment "I want in the comments below and grab your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in the description. You get access to all Fashion Business Mastermind exercises by joining the program. Much love, Julia Antofiev.